Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri, and if you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I'm obsessed with indie brands. Today, it's all about the brand new Colourpop and Hocus Pocus collection. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like what you see, subscribe down below if you have not yet, turn on your bell notifications so you get notified of future videos, and share this video out if you do enjoy the content. It really does help my channel a lot. I am very excited to be playing with the entire Hocus Pocus collection. I did buy the entire collection as a bundle. I will pop up pricing and everything as we go along. I was just super excited, so I just grabbed the whole damn thing. I was afraid it was going to sell out. I do have the candle as well. It is in the background, and I will also take a picture of that up close and show you guys that as well. So we do have our palette. We also have a mirror. Very exciting. You guys, the packaging on here, I know a lot of people didn't like it. They said that the packaging was too cartoony, that they looked ugly. I like it. I like the aesthetic a whole lot, actually. We also have a Super Shock Shadow Trio. We also have a set of 3 lip creams, and we have a spider little stamp. So I'm probably not going to use this, and whatever in these products that I'm not going to use, we'll do a quick giveaway at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. We will dive into the palette DEETS. The unit carton and the actual palette are the same. And our shade names are on the back. Colourpop is a cruelty-free brand as well. I like the packaging. It does remind me of a cartoon. I like that they look like cute little stickers. Aesthetically, I think it's cute. I will say this palette is tiny, and I believe this is at a higher price point if you were to purchase the palette separately. I believe it is a $22 palette, and I just feel like it's a little small. So let's open it up. Okay, so we do have a mirror. We do also have the sisters inside and our protective layer. A couple of my shadows look a little bit dinged up. Overall, I really do like the color story. I think tonally they went from light to deep, and I do like that there are more mattes than shimmers. So we will do some swatches. 300 Years, All Hallows Eve, Moon is Round, Summon Us. Under the Ground, Bubble Bubble, Twist the Bones, Circle of Salt. The Twist the Bones and the Circle of Salt have beautiful teeny tiny little micro glitters in them. They are absolutely freaking stunning. Green Newt, Life Potion, Hello Billy, Fur Black as Black. Our Super Shock Trio. To Be Young and Beautiful Again. Dost Thou Comprehend? Forever Bewitching. Calming Circle. Hello Boys. Tonight We Fly. Alright, so hopefully all the swatches were helpful. If I did not actually swatch it, that means it's going into the giveaway. So I'm going to speed things up. We're going to do a quick look. I honestly think I just want to go in with the purple Hello Billy and then put Twist the Bones on top, which are our 2 purple shades. And again, the Twist the Bones and the green, you guys, the amount of the beautiful micro like shimmers in there it's stunning. Absolutely stunning. Alright beauties, I am back. I went in with my Wander Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation in the shade Medium. I bronzed up with my Kosas bronzer. This is the medium golden bronze shade. My mascara is the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes mascara. And then my liner is the Ojos Perfectos from Araceli. I am actually going to go into 300 Years, and we're going to try this as a highlighter. Yeah, that's gorgeous. The palette performed beautifully. The purple is extremely pigmented. I love the shimmer purple. It is so stunning. And to finish up the lower lash line, I went in with both purples. I laid the matte one down first and then put a little bit of the shimmer and buffed it out just ever so slightly. I didn't want it to be super blown out. I wanted it to be super intense. That 300 Years makes a beautiful highlighter. Definitely love the palette. I think, of course, if you love Hocus Pocus and it's super nostalgic for you, and you already know and love Colourpop's formula, I say 100% go for it. Do you need the whole collection? No. There are definitely pieces in here that I would not personally use. I think some of us would not personally use. So I say kind of go on the site and maybe pick and choose from the collection, get your favorite pieces. I do love that there was a candle this time. It smells incredible too, you guys. Like a very rich, intense, spiced pumpkin. I love that. I love any kind of warm spices. I love that there are lip creams. I love the layout. I love the design. And of course, they performed beautifully. Next, we're going to go into lips. I am only keeping the Calming Circle, which is the beautiful nude, and the Hello Boys, which is the black. So of course, the other one will be in the little giveaway for you guys. And this is their Fresh Kiss Lip Cream. We're going to test it out. Upon swatching, it feels very like velvety, like fluffy and a whipped type of texture. So I don't know if that's going to equate to long wearability or not, but we're going to see. We're going to see how it applies. Okay, so I just want to get up close and we'll stop with just one little layer. Definitely not full opacity and full pigment on the first swipe. And I'm already seeing that it is bleeding out just a little bit, kind of fraying a little bit. In this case, if you are like me and you do have drier skin, more mature skin, you do have fine lines or anything around your lips, I would absolutely go in with either the Milani Anti-Feathering Lip Pencil. You can use a clear wax like brow pencil. e.l.f. has one for very, very cheap. Or go in with a black liner. It could be a black lip liner or a black eyeliner. So I would definitely say to go in with the liner first and use this kind of as a topper, if you will, because it is definitely not full on black to start with. Okay, so on 2 coats, I think you get there. I definitely think it is really beautiful. The formula kind of feels like their Luxe Velvet formula. Very, very comfortable. I do not think this is going to equate to long wearability at all. Yeah, no. So definitely not going to be super long wearing. Again, I would honestly just say to do a liner underneath, do a black liner underneath, and then place this. But I think it is stunning and it feels beautiful on the lips. Yeah, quite comfortable. I'm actually getting a little bit of patchiness. Of course, I probably did that to myself by doing the kind of kiss test. But overall, y'all, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling this look. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. Let's fix the hair. Yeah, I think it's a beautiful look. I definitely think that if you love Colourpop already, you know and love their formula. If you love Hocus Pocus, I say go for it. Now onto our mini giveaway. You're going to be entering to win the Tonight We Fly lip cream, the Super Shock Shadow Trio, and the Spider Stamp. All you have to do to enter to win is comment down below, enter me with a yellow heart. You must be subscribed and I must be able to check that, so your subscriptions must be public. You have to be 18 or older or have parental consent, please. And you must be in the US. YouTube is not liable for nor responsible for this giveaway at all. All the deets are going to be down below in my description box. Just make sure that you follow all the rules and good luck. I hope you guys liked this look for our 31 Days of Slays. How did you think about this collection? Did you pick it up? Don't forget to comment down below any palettes you would like to see me use during 31 Days of Slays. And speaking of palettes, I have huge news. If you're already on my Facebook or you follow me on Instagram, then you know that myself Adventures of Xenia and Debutante have collaborated with Gourmand Girls, you guys, and we are dropping a palette. To tell you that I am excited, to tell you that I'm about to jump out of my skin over this, and I've been playing in it for a couple weeks. I've done several looks. I'm over the moon excited. It will be launching on October 8th. It's going to retail for $39.99. You'll be able to use my discount code RIRI or RIRI10 to get 10% off. And just for you guys, just for our YouTube beauty family, we're each dropping a special upload on the 7th. So on October 7th, just a few days from now, you're going to see the palette, you're going to see the reveal, you're going to see swatches. You guys, I'm honored. I am blown away. I cannot believe that this is happening. I cannot believe that I have my first collab that is coming out in just a few days, and it's with 3 of the most incredible, beautiful human beings on this entire planet. I cannot wait for y'all to see it. So stay tuned for the 7th for all the deets. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.